guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Philips here. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. I am so happy, like I've reached 500 subscribers. Thank you so much for the 500th person that subscribed. I couldn't find your name anywhere. Like I didn't get an email from YouTube saying this person subscribed to your channel, so I don't know who you are, but thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed and you're watching me right now, you know what to do. The subscribe button is down below, big red button that says subscribe. Please click on that and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so let's get on to today's video. So I'm gonna make an infinity dress. Although I thought of making an infinity jumpsuit, I was like, nah, a dress is better. Keep watching and do subscribe, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share, try it out, and share the pictures of your creations with me on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching, and let's get on with the tutorial. Okay, we're gonna get started with the skirt. I'm gonna start with the fitted part of the skirt at the top. So I'm gonna start with my waist measurement, which is 30. I'm gonna divide by 4, measure out 9.5 here at the top. So I'm gonna measure out 11 here, and then I want it to be 16 inches long plus 1 inch, and that is half an inch for joining the ruffles at the bottom and half an inch for joining the waistband at the top. So that's going to be 17. So I've made this 17, and I'm going to make it a straight skirt so that it's not too tight at my thighs and I can't walk it. Then I'm going to take my curved ruler and shape the hip. So on the center point front, I'm going to measure out 4, right, 4, and then divide that by half an inch on both sides, and I'll also come down by 6 inches. Take it up. Now I'm joining my dots. Okay, join my dots. So this is gonna be my dots. I'm also gonna mark it at the back as well. So this is safe to cut, and then I'm gonna take this as a template and cut the back. And I'm just literally gonna cut the same thing, but instead of cutting from the center front, I'm gonna cut the extra 1 inch there for the zip allowance. Okay, so I'm gonna cut out my waistbands now. I want it to be 2 inches thick, and I need half an inch to join the infinity ropes at the top and half an inch to join it to the skirt. So that's going to be 3 inches, and I need 2 for both sides because I'm going to join 2 together. First things first is joining the dots. I'm going to join the dots. I'm going to use black thread. I think that will be fine. Okay, so joining the dots. Okay, 1 dot's down, 3 more to go. I'm gonna join the front and the back right sides together with 1 inch seam allowance at both sides. 1 inch seam allowance. Yep. I'm gonna take 2 pieces and join them together by half an inch, and do the same to the other piece by half an inch, and then press the seams open. So center point, so half of my waist will be 15. I'm gonna mark 7.5 just so I have a reference. Well, let me just make it 8. Mark 8 on both sides of the center line. Okay, now I'm gonna join this. So I'm gonna take one of the scarves at the edge, which I have. It was a scarf, so I already hemmed all the edges. So you can do that as well if you're cutting yours fresh. So right sides. Okay. Turn it to the right side, so it's right sides together. I'm gonna place it here and pin. Extend it in for like 2 inches past the center point, and put the other end there, 2 inches away past the center point, and I'll pin as well. Now I'm gonna just fit whatever is left here into like pleats and stuff until it fits the rest of this part, you know, just small pleats. So I'm gonna take the other strap, place it right sides together, make sure the center point, find the center point, they match, right? And then I'm just gonna pin everything together. I'm pinning, I'm just gonna take it to the sewing machine and sew with a straight stitch all the way down. Okay, so I have joined the waistband, secured it and pressed it. Like I mentioned earlier, you have to always press. Now I'm gonna join the skirt to the waistband, side of the waistband, and pin the skirt and the waistband together. Do that for the entire length, sew it 1/2 inch and press, and I'll be back. So I am done attaching the zipper and I want to close up close up the waistband. So I'm gonna bend, I need to cut this, cut the excess zipper off, bend it in, fold the waistband, because I already folded this, remember, and pressed. It's gonna be easy to sew now, and just pin that down. Okay, we're gonna do that for the other side. This is always the hard part for me, I don't know why. Try and sew on the right side in front, try and sew in the ditch of the waistband so that it will close up the waistband at the back. To make the gathers for the bottom part of the dress, I'm gonna set my stitch length to, no, stitch tension to the lightest, which is 9, and my stitch length to the longest, which is 4 on my machine. Okay, and we are going to sew 2 horizontal lines all the way down the entire length of this fabric piece, and afterwards I'm gonna then pull them and gather it. You guys have seen me do ruffles before, you know how it works. So it's very simple. I'm gonna show you again how I do it. I'm just gonna sew 2 straight stitches down. So I have gathered and measured it to be 38 inches, sorry, 39, because I'm gonna join it together to make a circle with 1/2 inch here. Gonna close it up with 1/2 inch, so I have like a skirt sort of. Okay, so this is my skirt this way. This is the upper part, and this is the gathered part, and they're both facing right sides together right now. This is the back of the skirt where the zipper is, and I'm gonna match the seams at the back. Okay, all right. And I'm just gonna pin all around. I don't know why I said it that way. I'm gonna pin all around. Shit. All right. Pinning. I'm done pinning the ruffle part to the other part of the skirt, and now I'm gonna just sew around with a straight stitch, and we'll be done with the dress. I don't know if I want a hem, because this part is not a salvage, so I can just leave it like that, or I can just fold it in once. I'm not sure, but honestly I'm gonna try it out first, and if I think it's fine, we'll be done with this dress. Alright, I'm done with this dress. I am absolutely stoked. I'm in love. I really love it. Okay, so I'm going to be filming a separate video on how to style it. like 10 ways on how to style an infinity dress or something like that, so you can see how you can wear it if you do make it. Oh, I love it so much. Look at me. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video, this tutorial on how to make an infinity dress. I hope you guys tried this out. It was really simple, although there's so many steps, but it's really just easy to put things together. And if you do try it, please share your creations with me at miss_prelims on Instagram. Like this video, share with your friends, get creative, get sewing together, and I'll see you in my next video. And also just check out my other videos. I'm sure some of them are on the screen right now. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. That's like the third time I'm saying that. Anyways, bye guys.